Welcome to Mama's Plant-Based Kitchen. Today my family and I are going to have some goulash. And I thought, I'm going to make some flatbreads. So I wanted to show you how I make my flatbreads. Okay, so let's get started. All right, I'm going to just do at this time 3 cups of vegetable broth. 2 heaping tablespoons of flaxseed milk, 2 tablespoons of almond flour, and then you can add what you like for taste for a bread for your goulash or chili. Some people call it chili. I call it goulash because we add noodles to ours. I'm going to do a teaspoon of garlic powder. So I want it to taste a little garlicky. You can add as much garlic as you like. A teaspoon of onion powder, and I'm using a half a teaspoon here, measuring. I'm going to do a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. I'm just going to put a little bit of turmeric in, just a couple little shakes. We like to add this to everything. I mentioned that on here quite a bit, but I try to stress it. Try to tell y'all that turmeric's good, and black pepper with turmeric will make it stay in your body longer, okay? Just a little note there. And yeah, I'm not going to put paprika in this bread this time. And then my husband grows basil, so I just dry it out and then I chop it up in my little chopper, which I can show you. This little chopper here. And I just chop it up. And I'm going to go ahead and put a half a teaspoon of basil. And that's just fresh basil from the garden. Yum. Okay. And then I'm going to do 3 cups of oatmeal. So let's count. 4. That's 1 cup. This is 1/4 of a cup. It fits really nice in here. Three cups. I think I'll start out with 3.5 cups. And then I can always add the rest. I want this just perfect to go on the grill. Yep, I'm going to have to add the other 2, which is fine. No problem. Yep. 1, 2. And you can't really do this wrong, because if you add a little bit too much oatmeal, you can take and add some more broth. And if you add too little of oatmeal, just add some more oatmeal. Simple. But you all know that by now, I'm sure. Or some of you anyway. Okay, so I'm going to let this sit for a minute. And then I'll start the breads, because you want this to, probably sit on your counter for about 10 minutes. It stiffens up better, okay? So I decided to add some olives. Now you can add anything you want to your flatbread that you like to, any kind of seasonings that you like on flatbread. I wanted something with olives in it because we're having, like I said, chili. And I made this with spaghetti the other day, and I'm not kidding. My daughter actually brought it to my attention. She said, "Mom, this tastes like cheese pizza from Pizza Hut." And it did. It was so good. I think it was the green olives, actually, that made it taste like that. Could have been all the other seasonings. So then you want to come over to your grill, and you want to put in a heaping tablespoon on your hot grill. Make sure your grill's nice and hot. You don't have to add any oil whatsoever. And then you just take a piece of parchment paper, and you want this to be flatbread. You don't want it to be a patty. So you want to just push it on there till you get it nice and thin for flatbread. They fold really nice. I'll show you what it looks like when they're done. They're just wonderful. You know, you don't even have to buy the flatbreads at the store when you learn how to do this. This way is a lot cheaper. And you let it cook on here till the one side's done, which is about 5 minutes. It takes about 5 minutes. So, I'll be right back. You want a stiff spatula. You don't want one that bends. Bend a little, but you want a stiff spatula. Whatever one that you use on your grill. And then you just turn them. And you do the other side the same. Okay, and these are what your breads look like. My husband loves to take and put all of his toppings from tacos in these. They bend really nice. They rip apart really nice. And they taste absolutely wonderful. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Have a wonderful day.